The following segment is sponsored by the National Association of Realtors. If you are a homeowner or are searching for a home, it can be confusing to know which renovations are worth your time and money and which ones are best left undone. Joining us live from Chicago at the National Association of Realtors Leadership Summit is Kenny Parcell with some insights and expert recommendations. Welcome to the show, Kenny. How are you?
Great, Carrie. Great to see you.
Great to see you too. Okay, what trends are you seeing this year?
Especially in Utah, you're seeing a lot of out-of-state buyers that are coming back from both sides of the West and East Coast, so you're seeing huge home appreciation.
Okay, and what projects and improvements do you recommend your clients focus on to add value to our home? That's what we all want, right?
Yeah, Carrie, I think the great thing is to get a bid first and then talk to your local realtor to see if you're going to spend $1, are you going to get 50 cents return, or are you going to get $1.25 cents return? So just make sure you're getting dollars and cents, and if it makes sense to do the improvement.
Okay, good advice. And how are realtors helping their clients navigate a historically competitive housing market, especially right here in Utah?
Well, I think it's for them to tell you what the value is, what the sellers want, how you can be competitive, and so you can get that home, especially with the historical low interest rates.
And what might homeowners and prospective home buyers not be aware of, and why are the insights of a realtor so valuable?
Just because there's no such thing as a national weather forecast, there's no such thing as a national real estate forecast. And so you got to get with somebody that knows the market, a local realtor that can hold you by the hand and help you avoid any of those pitfalls that some people make.
Sure. And Kenny, are you seeing any specific projects that can help, maybe like kitchen updates that will help maybe up the value of your home?
Yeah, for sure. I think you, once again, Carrie, get a local realtor that can tell you, do you just paint the cabinets, the kitchen cabinets? Do you just replace the countertops? Do you do a full-fledged remodel? Do you do wood flooring, travertine, any type of flooring? Or do you go to the bathroom and try to figure out what do you do to help get the most appreciation on your home?
Yes, because I guess it can depend on which market you're in. Maybe one market has, everyone loves a new kitchen, everyone loves a new master suite, so it just depends, right?
Yeah, I think the cost of construction is way high, so maybe just a paint on the cabinet with the countertop may give you that same better bang for your buck.
Oh, that's a great way to save money. And Kenny, what do you want people to know about the housing market right now?
I think the housing market's everything is local. And so especially in Utah, the different markets, different zip codes means different things. And so I would suggest to go to your local realtor, find someone on realtor.com that can help you give it good advice of what really the market snapshot is. Because what it was yesterday isn't what it is today. That's
very true. Kenny, these are great tips. Where can we go for more information?
If you're looking for a realtor, I'd go to realtor.com. If you're looking for just good all-around good information, I would go to houselogic.com, and it'll give you all kinds of good stuff that can help you make good decisions.
Fantastic. Kenny, thanks for joining us today. Great to see you.
Great to see you. See you, Carrie.